Hey everyone, looking to earn online in 2025 in this beginner friendly guide? I'll show you how to use Sintra AI, a powerful new tool that helps you make money using automation and smart business tools. Let's dive right in. What is Sintra AI? Sintra AI is an all in one business assistant that helps you launch and scale online businesses. It offers features like AI generated websites, automated marketing, lead generation, and customer management, all in one dashboard. Perfect for freelancers, small business owners, or anyone starting a side hustle. How to get started? To begin, go to Sintra AI on your Google Chrome, click on Start for free, and create your account using your email or Google. Once you're in, explore the dashboard. It's clean and beginner friendly. Start by selecting a business type like e commerce, digital services, or consulting. Step 3: How to make money. Sintra gives you customizable website templates. You can launch a full site in minutes using AI, using their leads generation tool to collect emails and convert visitors into paying clients. There is even an integrated sales funnel tool perfect for digital products, courses, or services. You can connect payment gateways and start earning right away. And step 4 is to tips for maximized results. Use their AI copywriting tool to boost conversations, automate email campaigns for passive income, track customer behavior using the analytics dashboard, focus on the niche you're passionate about, it increases success. And that's your Sintra AI beginner guide. Like, subscribe, and check the description box for helpful links. Your online business journey starts today.